I'm Alex. Today we're going to go over 3 different kicking drills that all you need is a belt for. Now let's get started. For all of these drills, all you need to do is just lay your belt on the ground. It doesn't have to be super thick. It's really just a guideline and something for you to jump over. This first drill we're going to do is going to be a little bit more towards kind of explosiveness. So all you're going to do, you're going to hop over, you're going to face the belt, hop over with both feet. As soon as you land, you're going to explode up with a front leg roundhouse kick. So it's going to look like this. Just like that. You're just going to kind of walk it back and go again. So the key for this one is as soon as you land, you want to explode up with that front leg roundhouse kick. So kind of like a spring. So I come down, boom, and then I spring up with the front leg roundhouse kick. Just like that. I recommend that you do this 10 times with the right leg, 10 times with the left leg, about 3 sets. Is going to focus a little bit more on balance, leg control, and it's going to help you with that cut kick motion. So all you're going to do is face it a little bit more kind of sideways in a fighting stance. You're going to pick up your front foot into a side kick chamber. You're going to hop over, cut kick, hop back, and then put your foot down. Okay, so like I said, it's really focusing on balance, being able to kind of move with that chamber up, lock out that side kick, hop back, and then put your foot down. Same thing as the previous drill. I recommend that you do 10 with the right, 10 with the left, about 3 sets. Now this final drill is definitely going to work on cardio, balance, and leg control. So a little bit of everything. So all you're going to do, you're going to face it towards the belt this way. You're going to start with a front leg roundhouse kick, hop over, jump switch, roundhouse, hop over, switch, round. Just like this, back and forth. Okay? Like I said, this one's definitely going to be a little bit more challenging, a little bit more on the cardio side, leg control, a little bit everything. So one more time, a little bit slower. Roundhouse, jump over, then you're going to do a jump switch to the other side, roundhouse, over, jump switch, roundhouse. It's a little hard to do slow, but you kind of get the hang of it. Just start it a little bit slow. Once you get the hang of it, speed it up a little bit. For this one, I recommend you do a total of 10 kicks per set, so it's only going to be 5 kicks on the right, 5 kicks on the left. Since you are alternating, 10 kicks total, 3 sets. Enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you would like to see in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.